good afternoon, everybody, out at Unity Village Chapel, and those of you who are tuning in from all over. This is Reverend Brandon, and I just wanted to join you this afternoon for our weekly Kids Spirit Break. And so we do these prayers every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 3 o'clock. But on Thursdays, these are prayers that are specifically geared towards our families and for our kids. So give all of you an opportunity to turn within, to listen to that power, that presence of Spirit moving through you as families. And so let's just take some time right here and right now in prayer, because what we know is that we're all dreamers. We all have dreams. We all have moments of dreaming, whether that happens at night while we're asleep or whether it happens during the day when we close our eyes. We can have waking dreams too. And a lot of times it seems like that divine presence, the divine Spirit speaks to us through our dreams. And so in many ways, meditation can be like a waking dream. And so let's have that waking dream together right now. And so I would just invite you to close your outer eyes. And as you do, take a deep breath in and out. Breathe in and out. And one more time. Breathe in and out. And now imagine that you are in your favorite spot. It could be inside or outside. It could be near your home or far away. Just take some time right now to picture your favorite spot, a place where you feel safe, a place where you feel peaceful. What is it that you see around you? What do you hear? What do you smell? Spend a little bit of time right now feeling the peace and the happiness of being in your special place. Activating every one of your senses, your sight, your sounds, the smells, the feeling of being in that place. Now you hear someone coming. This is the person that you expected. It's someone who loves you very, very much, and someone you love very much. And that person has a present for you. It's a box wrapped in shiny gold paper and tied with a gold bow. So see yourself receiving that present, untying the bow and opening the box. What's inside? It's a present, and it's just for you. It is your gift from Spirit. And so full of joy, you say thank you to your special friend. You feel the happiness and love growing warm inside your heart as you pick up your treasure and hold it close to your heart. Know that it is a gift that can never be taken away from you. Your friend whispers something in your ear. It's your message from God. What is it that your friend is saying? And your friend hugs you and says goodbye and walks away. And as they do, you hold on to that special gift, your dream symbol. You feel that love radiate from your heart and warm your body. And now think about what it is that your friend whispered to you. And so as you allow that memory to flow through you, we spend just a few moments in the stillness. Still hugging that gift, gently bring yourself back to the room that you're in. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, and when you're ready, you can open your eyes, stretch, and remember that special gift from Spirit that you received this day. And so it is. I do hope that you are all having a wonderful day. One of the things that I would like to share with you, people will often ask when we do meditations with children, when we do meditations with our family, how long is it appropriate for us to sit in the silence? And I think a lot of times we worry, how long is a 3-year-old going to sit in silence, and how long will they stay still? It seems like any moment of stillness can be a gift. The general rule that I try to follow is a child can sit in silence for about 10 seconds based off of how old they are. So Hayden is 3 years old right now. She can sit for about 30 seconds in silence. And of course, there is no one size fits all for these sorts of things. But that's sort of the general rule, is about 10 seconds for every year of age that they are. So as you're doing these meditations with your family and your friends, just kind of keep that in mind, and just enjoy some time in the stillness together. We certainly all have that opportunity in this day and age to spend time together in the stillness. I do hope that you have a wonderful day, that you have a wonderful weekend. We will be seeing you all very, very soon on our live streams, on our Zoom meetings and calls. So I do hope you're making use of connecting in that way with us at Unity Village Chapel. We certainly miss seeing all of you in person, and just continue to hold that space that even though it may be a little bit longer, that we'll be able to gather again together shortly. Namaste.